Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamil once again. So today we are going to talk about Alibaba stock on weekly time frame. So right now, if we see the last week of the candle on the market has inverted hammer candle, and also the noticeable things that he is standing right now near on the resistance level, and this resistance was act as a support at the previous time. Market has been support multiple time at this level and his breakout, and he is right now standing on his resistance level. So first of all, how we can trade this week according to the weekly time frame. So right now there is no doubt, if you do analysis, there's a market on a negative movement that anyone can see from here. But right now, also one thing we have to keep remember, last 2 weeks market has made a very massive up movement as a buyer. So these are the buyer still holding their position until they see the market has going to close to below $100. Once the market will going to close below $100, there's a first sign that buyer are is weak and the seller are stronger and confidence to sell the market. So until for the selling, we have to be wait at least to market will be closed below $100. This is the psychology level, and obvious, this is obvious that market buyer last also the previous week market has very big strong momentum from $100 to 121, then it has retraced at 112, and these are the two momentum we saw the market are strong buyer on the market. So right now market is standing on its confusing level. What I mean by confusing level, suppose as we see the market has uptrend last 2 weeks, market has retraced from here, and right now he is standing also on the also on the resistance level. So we don't know where the market can go, but we can assume there is a support, $110 while he is standing. If you switch on daily time, you can see clearly there is a support that market where is standing right now. So as per the rules, if the market, how the market go on the higher side, first he will take a higher side, he will take upshoot upside, then he will take a retracement, then this high will be able to cross this high. So these are the price action generally market do as a buyer for going on upside. So right now market is standing exact that point, but as a market is look a little bit confused because we don't know if if we draw the line, this is the uptrend line and his retracement. So next week if the market going to close, or market will take a u-turn from here and he will take a new high from the bottom line. So we don't know the future momentum, but we can expect that market, if market going to open and flat range on Monday, so there is a possibility according to the market that as a seller market is controlling from the top, so they would try to sell the market after opening the market on Monday. So if market going to fall down from this level, chances are very high these are the buyer who are holding their position, they will support the market, they will initiate their position. And also those the buyer who have missed to take the trade from this level, and they can put their SL here, so they can see a very small SL to put the market, they can put very stop SL from this level, and market look like on the week daily time frame, he will first moment time, first 1 day or first half in Monday, he will let me clean here. If market going to open on flat, then market look like going to be and below, then any of the point that 102 103, that market will take a u-turn from here, he will face the support as a new buyer, and these are the buyer as per they are holding their position. The market will get the support from these are the buyers, so market will take a u-turn from this level. So it's not a confirm, but price are look like that market will maybe face the resistance, face the support level, and he will take a u-turn from here. So we have to see where the market is opening. So once the market start to closing below $100, there is no any hope for the buyer that market maybe will go upside from this level. If Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, any of the level, any of the day market is, if the market closing below $100, we can take a trade for swing or a positional whatever, we can look for the big target 70 and $70, 70, 72, 73. These will be the general target if the market has been done closing below $100. So we have just need to wait for 1 to 2 days. Then on Monday and Tuesday, price will be confirmed if the market able to hold this level or break this level. But as per last 2 week, if you saw, these are the very strong momentum. Definitely very big amount of money has been invested this week, and these are also this week also market continuously go on the upside. So right now market is just a pause here. These are the momentum market need to digest. So right now it is just happening look like that. And also these are the pause candle. So pause candle, what is mean pause candle? If market cannot go directly on the upside, definitely he will go upside. The seller will sell the market and he will try to retest here, and the support, a buyer will support the market again, then market will upshift, go on the upshift and break its previous swing. This is how generally price move on the market. So right now exactly, if we see the market on weekly time frame, exactly market is doing right now. So we just have to be wait for 2 days what the market, 2 or 1 days, then what the market is doing. But to be honest, these are the candle. If we see, there's very strong momentum on the market. A seller, a buyer are 110% existing in the market. Until market going to be closed at $100, they will fight the fight this level to and pull back on the upside as on buying side. They will try to pull back the market on buying side on Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. That we just have to wait on Monday where the market is going to close. If market directly going to open in gap down, assume we can assume 104, 103, we just have to wait for 15 minutes, then price will be confirmed. If 15 minutes able to hold the level, no doubt market will take the support where he's directly open. If market directly open in the gap down, then also these are the buyer which might be going to book their profit, and also new buyer will be entering the market. So market easily can get the support and he will take the support from the upside. So if this level going to sustain, and also if this level going to sustain and hold the a buyer able to hold this level, then buyer will be make sure they able to close the all the previous lines. So very big momentum could be possible on the market as a, on the higher side, if these are the level act as support as a buyer. So market probability look like market will going to be made this kind of engulfing candle, and these are the all of the seller will their SL will be hit and the buyer will able to close above all of the seller line. So the trend will be clear, and it also easy for them to track on the next week. So buyer never wants that the market going to close below $100, and seller will be that seller will be try to close the market below $100. So these are the these are the moment is right little bit of confusing on the market. So let's see where market is going to open on Monday. Then we will trade according to the market. So I hope you enjoy the video and you understand all of my point. These are the all point as per my view, and also I do discuss about the price action. I don't see any indicator, and then again it is not a confirmation of the market. These are just analysis. So do your own analysis. So merge with my analysis with yours, so maybe it could help you. So thank you guys, thank you very much, and I hope